Hello kids, how are you? Fine. Okay. So today we will learn about a new topic and the name of our topic is machines. You might have heard at your house and you may be in the daily routine we see many machines. So today we will be learning that how the machine runs. Now you can see here a television, juicer, scooter, cooler, mixer and refrigerator. So we have seen these machines. Now many of these machines are there at your house. We can see refrigerator, mixer, cooler. And first what we have seen? We have seen television, juicer, scooter, right? So now we will see that how this machine runs. Now see here, machines are man-made things. It means machines are made by human beings. We all are human beings. So these machines are made by us. So they are called man-made things. Now see, you can see here, machines work fast. Machines save our time. Machines cannot work on their own and machines make our work easy. Machine makes our work easy. So first what we have seen that machine works fast. See, machines are made by us, but then also machine works fast. For example, I will tell you, your mama in kitchen she has a mixer or grinder, right? If there is no electricity, then what she has to do? She has to prepare the batter with the help of handmade machine. But when the electronic machine is there which works on electricity means light. If the machine works on light, then the batter gets ready in few minutes. But if electricity is not there, then your mama needs time. So it means that machine works fast. Then next, machine saves our time because they work fast, so our time is saved. Then machines cannot work on their own. Understood? See how we can move on our own. We can walk, we can speak. But how we can walk, we can speak when we will eat food, when we will drink plenty water, that time we get energy. In the same way, the machines cannot work on their own. Now see here, you can see here aeroplane, car. So some machines run on fuel. You know what is fuel? Fuel means petrol, diesel. These all are called fuel. So these machines runs on fuel. If there is no fuel in the machine, then it will not work. Now some machines work on human power. For example, rickshaw, sewing machine and bicycle. So you guys, you know how the bicycle runs. You have bicycle right at home. It works automatically? No. You need to drive the bicycle and then it works. So it means it needs human power. So there are many machines which need human power. Now some machines run on electricity. See, you can see a light. You know, when there is electricity, that time only your refrigerator can run, then only your light can be on, then only your mama can use a mixer, right? Then only you can watch television, then only your mobile can be charged. These all things need electricity. In the same way, washing machine, fan, microwave. Now we have seen some machines, they run on fuel, like car, your motorcycle, aeroplane, they run on fuel. Some machine they need human power, यानी हमें चलाना पड़ता है. For example, rickshaw, sewing machine and bicycle. So these run because of human power. Some machines such as television, grinder, mixer, refrigerator, these works on electricity. In the same way, now we will see regarding computer. See, a computer is also a machine and it is a man-made machine. A computer is a machine. You need to keep in mind that a computer is a machine which works on electricity, means on light. It is a smart machine. It never makes mistake. You know, who handle the computer? We human beings. It cannot run on its own. The human being needs to give the command. Whichever command we will give to the computer, it will work on that. Computer never gets tired. You know, as a human being, we get tired after some work. If we do some work, then we get tired. We say na कि मैम आज बहुत थक गए when you play on the ground. But computer is a machine, so it will never get tired. And it can also store many things in it. See, teacher teaches you, right? And you keep all your things in mind. Okay? So you store all the things in your brain. In the same way, a computer can also store many things. See, it works when it gets order from you. I told you first only that a computer can work only when you give order. Order is also called command. When you give order to the computer, that time only it will work. So understood? We have seen today many types of machines. What we have seen that a machine is a man-made thing. What is the machine? A machine is a man-made thing. And some machine needs fuel to run, some machine needs manpower, some machine needs electricity. Okay? And the main thing to keep in mind is that computer is a machine. What you need to keep in mind? A computer is a machine and a computer never gets tired. A computer works when we give a command to the computer. Understood? And computer never makes mistake. What we have seen, that computer never makes mistake. And computer can store many things in it. So understood? So our today's topic was machines. So now what you have to do, you have to observe the machines in your house, whatever machines you are having, and you need to draw the pictures of the machines in your notebook. Understood? Okay, bye bye.